Did you know you can make creamy tahini at home in just minutes? Today I'm turning homemade tahini into soft, delicious pancakes that are healthy, simple and full of flavor. Let's start by making the tahini from scratch. You take a cup of sesame seeds. On a pan, warm them in a medium heat and keep turning until they are ready golden brown. After that, you take the tahini, pour them too fast, and then keep adding a little by little oil as you continue blending it until you get a very soft paste. Then you're going to take an egg into a bowl. I'd like to tell us where you're watching from. I'm going to send you a hug. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Then you're going to take the tahini, mix it well with the egg. Thank you for watching. You're welcome. Tell us where you're watching from. Did you know that you could make tahini at home? Then you're safe and secure. You know what you're eating. It's always good to know what we put in our bodies. Tahini that is rich in healthy fats. And then you're going to be adding a little bit of milk or coconut milk. It's up to you, whatever milk you like. A spoon at a time. As you stir, you keep adding a spoon at a time until you get a pancake paste batter. Keep adding a little bit of, I am using coconut milk myself because I made the coconut at home. I had some coconut milk, but you can use normal milk, cow milk, you can use almond milk, the milk of your choice. Continue adding little by little until you get a pancake batter. Please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's a new channel that is growing. We really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Then I added a little bit shredded coconut that I made myself at home. Dry them in the pan. Then I'm using it today. And I'm going to use some oats powder. Oats flour is also very important in tahini pancakes because it's going to make the pancake firm. You don't be breaking as you turn it around. You stir well, continue mixing the mixtures well. Then you add some little vanilla essence. This is optional, but I like a little bit taste of vanilla. Spikes up the taste. Mix them together well. We have also other videos you can watch in the channel. Thank you for joining. Then I'm going to put some oil. I use olive oil. You can use the sesame oil if you like, whatever oil you have at home. Just grease the pan and then put the butter on medium heat. Then I'll take some sesame seeds or some coconut shreds. I'll sprinkle them on top of the butter before I turn around the pancake. You can choose whatever you want, or if you want, you can mix both of them, the grated coconut or the sesame. And our pancakes are ready, and thank you for watching. Then I added some avocado and some tomato and some sesame. I sprinkled a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Please come back and tell us the comment after you have tried this recipe. You're welcome again. I send many hugs to everybody who's going to be watching. Thank you very much. We really appreciate you. And that's our final product. You can eat it as a lunch, you can eat it as breakfast, you can eat it as a snack. You choose when time you want to eat it. You can pair it with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, a glass of milk, a glass of water. It's up to your choice. And this keeps our guts healthy. Our gut is very important in our body, keeps it healthy. So if you haven't liked, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.